Hello. Let me first begin with wishing you all a very happy new year. 2013 has been a very strong year for us. We are entering 2014 on a much stronger platform. Our focus on execution has helped us to deliver outstanding results during this quarter. Number one, we have produced record level of production across all our three producing blocks, resulting in an average production of over 224,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. This solid production has helped us to deliver a record revenue of 5,000 crores and a PAT of 2,884 crores. We have made announcement about two important discoveries in Rajasthan. This discovery is the result of renewed exploration focus on Rajasthan. Over the exploration wells that we drilled during the year, we were able to establish an additional in-place oil resource of 500 to 600 million barrels in Rajasthan Barmer Basin. While delivering this performance on the revenue and production front, we have managed to maintain our field operating costs at $3.3 per barrel. Most importantly, the Rajasthan asset has cumulatively produced 200 million barrels of oil since the first oil commencement in 2009. 200 million barrels of oil is equivalent to 28 million tons. Very interestingly, we see potential for gas in Rajasthan and gearing up to do further exploration of this potential, as well as planning for success, preparing for building up additional infrastructure to monetize the gas discoveries. Moving on from Rajasthan to the east coast, we have three interesting developments. Number one, in Rava, we are currently drilling a high risk, high impact exploration prospect, and we have announced declaration of commerciality of our Nagalanka discovery with the aim to commence production from 2017, and we expect the production rate to be around 10,000 barrels per day. Thirdly, we have recommencing exploration activity in our offshore block called KGOS 9, and we will be commencing the seismic activities in that block during the next year. Financially, we were able to deliver a revenue of 5,000 crores, an EBITDA of 3,555 crores, as well as a PAT of 2,884 crores. And overall, we are looking at sustaining the production levels across all our blocks and hope to exit this financial year with additional production, which would ensure that we would produce at least over 200,000 barrels from Rajasthan and around over 225,000 barrels from all our producing assets together, as we guided the market earlier. Our focus is going to be accelerated exploration and appraisal activities, which is being supported by increased rig count across our assets. We are on track to drill out 50% of our gross risk prospective resources, and finally, we are looking at the upcoming NELP 10 round, which interestingly allows the block to be explored not only for conventional resources as well as for unconventional resources. With the new price on gas announced by the government, we would be looking at the NELP round with a lot of interest. We have now 4 rigs working exclusively on development drilling in Rajasthan and another 4 rigs exclusively on exploration drilling in Rajasthan. Under our development wells, this quarter we brought over 42 wells onto production, and under exploration we have announced the 28th discovery in Rajasthan. By this, we have achieved over 50% success rate in our exploration drilling. With these words, let me wish you all a very successful year ahead.